What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We're going to go over the technical analysis here with Optimism, and we're going to do a little price prediction to see where Optimism could possibly go in the near future. So definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, don't forget to come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto merch in the game. So definitely come over here and check this out. Got the best Crypto Millionaires merch here. So yeah, definitely check that out. And I got this shirt right here. This is the Crypto Millionaire established in 2023 shirt, as you can see here. So yeah, definitely check out this shirt. It's pretty cool. But yeah, without further ado, let's talk about optimism. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little technical analysis here for optimism. And the first thing that I do notice here when we go over here is that we're inside of a high activity area, right? We did just now stop at this support line down here. So optimism doesn't want to go too far below $2.40. So hopefully it can continue to hold above 240. Right now we're at $2.47. But if we are to go below this area, we could see lots of selling bringing us down to do $2.35. So that's pretty much where that support is all the way down there at $2.35. So we could prepare for that, or we could prepare for another uptrend here with optimism. As you can see, we had an uptrend before here with optimism. So there's always the possibility that we get another uptrend that brings us, another step higher with optimism. There's also this new update with optimism that'll probably also help with the rise of the price here. It's the bedrock upgrade, as they call it. And they said that it will introduce a new two-step withdrawal process to the Optimism mainnet bridge that will improve its security and make exploits much more difficult. So it's going to make it more difficult for people to scam there, pretty much. But anyways, yeah, over here it says one of the architects of two-step withdrawals is Vex Ox. So he pretty much talks about that a lot. But yeah, this is interesting because with this update, it'll be interesting to see if it helps with the price at all. I think this is more so just a developer update to make sure everything's safe for the users of the mainnet. So it'll help out a lot with that. But yeah, it might not be too much on the help with it might not be too much to help with, like the price of things. But looking at the price here with optimism, we know we still got the support down here. Well, let's look at the 4 hour chart because the 4 hour chart is a lot more important, is a lot more long term. So we were tracking this, right? We were following this uptrend since the beginning of this year, and I've been tracking this. And yeah, this was a straight uptrend. There's no denying behind that we were on a huge uptrend, right? It was obvious. We were on this huge uptrend, but it was the trend line that was very important because we respected that trend line up until this point, which was around the 3rd of March. So the 2nd to 3rd of March, it pretty much disrespected that trend line, right? And then we had set up a little bit of a support area here at $2.70, but we ended up breaking down below that area. So now what we're watching here for on optimism for the 4 hour chart is to possibly move back down to this support down here. So this brings us down to $1.86. Let me say that again. $1.86. Yeah, I know none of us want to see that, but that is where that support is that we had down here. That was a very strong support, and we actually hit that support on the 11th of March. And yeah, that was a really strong support for us. So if we go down there again, we have strong support down at $1.86. So I really wouldn't worry about going too far below that. But right now we are still, like I said, at a good area where our indicators are showing that we do have high activity expected inside of this area. So if there's high activity expected in this area, I'm willing to bet that it's not going to go down too far lower than this point, honestly. So we're going to have to see if we're going to become bullish here. But it does look like we're forming a little bit of a wedge here. And hopefully we can, continue this wedge to like the end of it and then go on a bullish run back up to $3.17, $3.20, somewhere around that area. But hopefully we can get back up to that $3.20 area because that's where we really want to be here with optimism. But at the point now, it kind of looks like we're on the low side here of this wedge. But a lot of times with these wedges, what ends up happening is we break down to the bottom side of the wedge and we end up stopping for some reason at some random support that we pretty much build. So it looks like we might break out below that wedge, hit maybe a support like $2.20, and then go back up and then get back inside of that range of the wedge. That happens a lot to a lot of cryptos. It actually just happened to Bitcoin not too long ago. So it could happen again here. So I'm looking towards that. I'm pretty much looking towards it breaking down below this wedge, maybe hitting $2.20 and then rising back up to the previous resistance of $2.90 and trying to build that momentum to actually get past that area on the wedge. So that's what we're trying to do here now with optimism inside the short term. But well, I mean, it's kind of long term, but we're gonna have to see. Is pretty much within the next month or so. But if we also want to look at it from a different perspective, we already know $3.20 is that golden point that we're really trying to pass. So it's gonna take some actual time to get past $3.20. But for right now, we are where we are. So we'll just have to wait until we actually have the momentum to get past that. Anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And go ahead and check out cryptomillionaires.shop as well. And yeah, definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop. I got some of the merch on right now. Pretty nice shirt. Isn't this pretty nice? Fits really good. But yeah, definitely check that out. Hit the like button, subscribe. And I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. As always, though, I'll be back with another video.